If you're not sure what to buy on Amazon or how to pair things, you're exactly in the right place. I have some of the best hidden gems for you, high-end, looks for less, that you're gonna say, Andrea Jean, I didn't even know that existed on Amazon, but it is so dang cute. They're good. Let's dive in. This dress, stunning. If you've been here a hot minute, you have seen it in the red variation. You've also seen it in the blue variation. Here it is in this gorgeous green color, perfect as we transition from summer into fall. Spaghetti straps, nice and adjustable. I love the V-neck on it so you can showcase some of your favorite jewelry. Nice smocking here on the back. Great length, feels great on the body. And everything I purchased here today is in a size small, if you're curious, and I am 5'7". This is so good. I don't know which color I like best. I mean, they're all good. Let me know, which color do you like best? Let me know in that comments box, the red, the blue, or the green. This little number right here, I showed this in a white variation, but here it is in sort of this, I don't know, we're gonna call this mint green. I'm not sure what the Amazon listing is calling it. This paired with white, so good. This would look excellent with a cute pair of capris, maybe a fun skirt of some sort, a date night, a brunch, or a lunch. I love this. I just wore a nude bra underneath, and you certainly could do a white tank top underneath, which is typically probably what I would do. Although the new bra looked great because you really couldn't, I don't know, you couldn't really tell. Oh, and I should also mention, if you are new here, I'm 41 years young and I have 4 children, ages now 6 to 12. 12-year-old, that's a trip, if you know what I mean. 12-year-old girl. Gosh, I love her dearly, but it's like something has taken over her body. Oh yeah, hormones. Back to this gorgeous top. Stunning. A cardigan. And you'd be saying, Andrea Jean, what is so special about a cardigan? Well, a couple things, my friend. Price point is phenomenal. This is by the Amazon Essentials brand. This is nice and lightweight. You can never have too many, button downs of every color in your closet, or cardigans, because they can really make and elevate just a simple basic outfit. Put this over your shoulders. It's also functional if it's a little bit cooler inside or in a restaurant, or as we transition into fall, it can get a little bit cooler in the evening. And I just love this color. This 2-piece set, I saw it on the Amazon model and I thought, well, AI generated model, does this actually look good on a human being? And it does. And this color is so fun. Nice wide leg pants. The waistband is also fully adjustable. There's a fun little pocket here in the back as well. And the top, gorgeous stripes. This combination right here is so pretty. It has a fun little pocket. I love the length on the sleeves. It's a little bit cuffed here, so it adds a little bit more interest, a little bit more put together rather than just in your pajamas. But hey, that is fine too. I love this. This is an easy throw and go outfit. Put on your favorite sandals, your favorite jellies, or your hair at secrets, your favorite sneakers. Hopefully we don't have too many of those during this video, but like buckle up. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, when I was filming this, I was looking for this nude bra and I was like, I have lost my, you know what, mine. Like I searched around my house. I went upstairs twice because I swap out different things, obviously when I'm filming, depending upon what I have on. And now I have found the long lost bra. This is like my favorite nude bra, by the way. I won't get into it. You're probably like, let's move on from the situation. I feel like it's Christmas. I found an Easter egg. You know, I get 41. I'm like, am I like going senile? Is this like some premenopausal symptoms or something? I don't know. Okay, onto this dress. On the hanger, I was like not excited to put it on. I was like, okay, let's just see. I mean, obviously it looked great on the AI model on Amazon. And then I put it on, I was like, I love this. This is stunning. The straps are fully adjustable here on the back, so you can cinch it in here at the top if you're flat chested like I am. But if you have bigger bosom and breasts, then you certainly can loosen this to what feels good for your body. It hugs the body in all the right places. Nice little cinch here, shows a little bit leg. In this color, look at that. Yes. Oh, and if you do not like the color combinations I'm showing you here today, chances are there's an alternative version on Amazon like this next goodie I'm about to show you. Also, if you're not following my Amazon storefront, make sure that you do. It's amazon.com/shop/AndreaJean1. I post everything there first. So if you want a sneak peek of what's up and coming, maybe you're like, hey, you were wearing this outfit, but where is the link for that outfit? Just go to the Amazon storefront. I'll also link it here in the description box. Click on photos and you can easily shop all the looks, all the different sizes, all the different coloring options. Okay, back to this. You all love this on Instagram. I loved it so much as well. I got it here in the mint green version. I love the 2-piece. I also love the little peekaboo. waistline. Oh my gosh, we're just having a hoot over here today. You can wear this as high as you want. You can wear it as low as you want. It is absolutely stunning. I don't know where I'm going to be wearing this yet, but I'm going to plan something in her honor. Yes, I am. In fact, my anniversary is actually coming up here on Saturday. My mom texted me to remind me of that because I'm not good with like dates and numbers and that sort of thing. At first I thought she was telling me about her anniversary. Like, why are you telling me about your anniversary? Like, am I supposed to be doing something for it? Is this like a big one of something? I can't even remember my own anniversary, let alone your anniversary. But she's reminding me that it's my anniversary. I love my husband dearly. We dated for 10 years before we got married, and we've been together for like 22 years now or something like that. So, you know, there's that. Maybe this little number will be part of that. Now, I'm typically the one that plans everything. Like when it comes to that, it's not that he doesn't love me. It's just not who he is. I was talking to my hairdresser today, Kelly, and she has the exact same thing. Like any trips that they go on, any sort of fun event, like she's the planner of it all. Not that she wants to be, but she's just been like, I don't know, somehow delegated to that task. Well, that's what happens here. So I don't think I'm actually gonna plan something. We're gonna see if he does. And I'll let you know on Instagram. I'll post on Saturday, this upcoming Saturday. Well, depending upon when this goes live. Anyway, just follow along on Instagram, Andrea Jean Co. Super quick, if you're enjoying this video, will you please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button so that it can reach more people. Back to this gorgeous top. Normally I'm not this chatty in these videos. If you've been here and if you're brand new here, I will keep moving on to the clothing. But also, did you know that you can watch this in like 2x speed, which is great. Like if you want to get all the information and you want to get it quickly. I mean, I do that all the time with people that I watch. I just like, you know, consuming the information much faster, if you know what I mean. But if you love the more casual vibe and like the real-time cadence of how I speak, well then you just keep that baby on normal. Okay, a lot of tangents happening right there. Let's get to this gorgeous green baby doll dress. I love the straps, fully adjustable. The length on this is good at my 5'7" frame. Like any shorter, if I were to bend over and like, I don't know, do something like my undies or shorts or whatever I'm gonna wear, and this might be showing. So this length, perfect. Any shorter, not for me. I love these sort of long dresses, the button down ones. It came with this belt, but you don't have to use that belt. You could do like a really beautiful rattan belt, which I've shown in some previous videos with a blue number. I was just checking something here very quick on this. I thought so. This is 100% cotton. So if you love 100% all natural fibers, then this one is going to be for you, and it's super beautiful. I love the sleeves on it as well. Just there's a lot you can do. You can dress this up. You can also make it very casual. I think this is just such a chic look. And if you love things all natural, I made an entire playlist, 3 videos, linked down below, I believe, for you. I'm saying out loud just in case it isn't, so that I will put it in that description box for you, but I'm pretty sure all things linen and cotton on Amazon that you can get for great prices. Okay, this 2-piece set, I showed it previously in the black and white version and it was so stunning, but here it is in this gorgeous green color. This feels so elevated. Something about the polka dots and the green and how it fits on the body. The tube top is nice and stretchy, but it's also not going to fall down. Maybe you're feeling bloated. It's that time of the month. You're having some menopause symptoms. You're dealing with hypothyroidism like myself. Like sometimes you just want to cover that midriff area, if you know what I mean. And sometimes for me, I'm like, man, it's looking svelte. You know, let's just show off a little bit of that waistline. And when that happens, I'm like, you'll know, because I may show a little bit more stomach than normal. But most of the time, I just kind of want to cover it up a little bit. But moving on to this 2-piece set. This is by the brand Solely Hawks. I love their pieces of clothing. This is not sponsored by them because they're so chic. I love it in this green color. I have it in a brown and black variation. It's just very fun. The straps are fully adjustable, so you can make them to fit the comfort of your body. Waistband nice and stretchy. Good length on this. Oh, this little number. I saw it on Amazon. I was like, that is so cute. And I thought, will this look good on a real human? And it does. I love this army green color as well. These pants, we're seeing a ton of these fun, flared, genie in a bottle kind of pants, balloon pants, parachute pants, harem pants, whatever you want to call them. These are fun. They have a nice little tie at the bottom, and it ties around the neck like a halter, which makes it just a little bit more classy, if you will. Dress this down, but also dress it up for a cute date night. Coming to you with another high-end look for less. This fringe top, I mean, you could go to Nordstrom, you could go online to some of your favorite retailers, Ann Taylor and whatnot, and these tops are going to cost you like $200-300, and my friend, a fraction of the cost on Amazon, and the quality is wonderful. I have this in the white version. Now I also have it here in this army green version. This pairs so nicely with browns and blacks, and even a gray would look really pretty with this. I was wondering about this. So this little gem here is 60% cotton. Oh my gosh, this sweater is so fun. The little fish on the front. You can do a lot with this. I was gonna wear like a flowy, kind of poofy skirt, if you will. It's tiered. I've showed it previously, but I actually think I might have donated that skirt. You know, I go through my closet because of what I do, and I'm like, okay, if I haven't worn this a certain period of time, I'm gonna donate it. And in fact, oh my gosh, my mom gives these donations to a friend of hers who's actually my age. Her name is Sarah, and she's super sweet. I ended up doing like a whole closet organization. In fact, on this channel, I shared it on this channel. I used to do a lot of cleaning and organizing here. If you've been with me since the beginning, oh man, this YouTube journey is something else, but I'm definitely loving where it's at. But anyway, I organized her closet, and I didn't realize she was the one getting all of my donated clothes, and she gave me a gift card. I'm like, you did not have to do, like, absolutely did not have to do that, but that was just so sweet, but it also made me feel really good about all the donated items that I gave. Okay, so many tangents here today. We are back on it. Okay, back to it. But again, if you're annoyed, speed it up. I mean, I don't know how fast it goes here. You probably get that baby like 5x. You know what I mean? Okay, this gorgeous fish sweater, high and lift for less. Great to throw over anything, also keeping you very warm. You may have seen those like viral fish necklaces. It's like the beads and then the fish is hanging here. I don't know. I think they're kind of weird. Like, why is there a fish hanging from my neck? I think fish are cool. I don't like to eat fish. I don't want to smell fish. I don't want to touch fish. Why would I want one dangling from my neck? But here on a sweater, like totally justified in my world. A fun little romper if you've been in the market. I mean, you can never have too many rompers. What I like about this one, yes, the built-in shorts. Fun little tie here for an added detail, little visual interest. But this one did not come with the built-in bra, so you can wear your most beautiful bra or not, depending upon what you want to do. But she's cute. Oh, this tank top, like, you're gonna be like, Andrea, stop talking about this tank top. Well, I love it, and when it's good, I keep bringing it back because maybe you missed some of the previous videos, and I think to myself, like, someone, you cannot miss this. It's this tank top. It's long enough you can tuck into stuff. It has the built-in booby pads here, which I love, but you can totally take them out. I love the V-neck here. The straps are the perfect thickness. It's nice and stretchy. This makes me happy. This is like my 5th variation of this. Oh my gosh, this next one. Just wait for it. Okay, G for free. If you want to sponsor me, like, certainly have at it. Like, oh, they're good. They're so good. Okay, these pants, great for travel, great for everyday wear. You can wear these to the office. You can wear these as a teacher because they can dupe for something just a little bit more, you know, what's another word for elevated? Professional. But these are also great for casual, like joggers, nice stretchy waistband, feels so good in the body. What I also love about the G for free brand is that you can get various inseams. So I'm pretty sure these are a 31 inseam, which is like ideally like my favorite inseam. Fits perfect on my 5'7" frame. I struggle with pants on Amazon because they're either pants, but they're too short for capris, even though capris are like still hot and trending. But and I pull that off, you know, and just maybe wear a flat or jelly with it. But I want the pants to be like true pants. You know what I mean? Speaking of these pants, okay, we got them in like the khaki beige version. I also showed them in the pink version, I think, in the last video. Here they are in this beautiful, what are we gonna call this? Seafoam green. These make my legs look so long, and I can wear just a little heel on this. I love these. I'm gonna wear this like I was gonna say till the cows come home, but that's like, I mean, I don't know. My grandma would say something like that. I'm not that old yet. Props to grandma, respect to grandma. But anyway, I'm in this weird phase in life where I'm surrounded by a teenager and 2 boys and a 6-year-old who like bro, like, what else do they like? This is the weirdest phrases, and so then those get stuck in my brain. But then I also like am 40, and then I have older people, and then they talk a certain way, and then it's just like weird stuff comes out sometimes. Back to the pants. They're so good. Hence, this is the 3rd or 4th time of me showing them to you. I'm just checking something. 70% cotton. So ladies, I would not put these in the dryer because if you do, they'll probably shrink up on you. But if you want them to shrink up, like lengthwise, certainly do that. I've shrunk enough things in my life. In fact, my 12-year-old, I told her at the end of the summer, she's going to start doing her own laundry. I'm going to teach her. Some of you might be saying, oh, you should have taught her earlier. And some of you are like, hey, I did my kid's laundry till he or she was like 18 years old, and I still do it. Like, it doesn't matter what anybody does, but we're just teaching her now. And she had this like full-on meltdown. I'm like, should you be excited? Like, this is like a great grown-up sort of opportunity, if you will. You know what she was scared about? Ruining her clothes and like shrinking her clothes. I said, Natalie, I've done all those things. And it just, you live and you learn. Like, right? Sometimes the hardest lessons are the best lessons. Oh God, an example just came to my mind when I was newly pregnant and just had a baby, but we'll save that for another time. Okay, back to this. Oh, not this yet. We're gonna move on to this bubble skirt. balloon skirt. I think people call it a balloon skirt, but the bubble skirt is typically what I see when they're shorter. It doesn't really matter. It's just a gorgeous skirt. And this color right here paired with white. Oh my gosh, this would also look stunning in black. Maybe I should wear this for my anniversary date that I don't know yet. It's happening. I don't think he can hear me. I think he's downstairs hiding. Okay, anyway, maybe he did. Maybe he's like, okay, I heard her. I'm gonna surprise her. Anyway, back to this. Love, 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 love this. Oh my gosh. Oh, you know it looks so gorgeous on this? Like a black knit sweater of some sort, like looser, kind of like tuck it in a little at the front, maybe an off the shoulder situation. I already love you. Okay, this jacket saw on Amazon. I was like, that is so beautiful. And it feels great on the body. This is a size small. It fits perfectly. If you want a little looser fit, I would size up on this. I just have a tank top underneath, so it's going to depend upon how you wear this and style this and what you wear underneath. So I would probably say, like, just to be safe, if you're going to wear like a thicker sweater, size up. The print is so fabulous. It feels like kind of quilted, if you know what I mean. It's nice and thick, and I thought it paired really nicely with this skirt. I was just checking something on here. This, my friend, is 70% cotton and 30% linen. Let's talk about this blazer, this mint green blazer. I cannot have enough blazers as well. I mean, I'm doing the thing that I'm absolutely meant to be doing. I'm obsessed with clothing and shopping on Amazon. So if you too are, or maybe you are not, but you just want cute things to wear and you don't have to think about it, like you are in the right spot. Okay, look at this gorgeous animal print. I just rolled the sleeves up, and on the inside as well, I love the length. There's a little bit of a shoulder pad here. This is a size small. Love this color. What's really fun about a blazer is you can wear it for something like business or professional. I was recently at a conference in Alpharetta, Georgia with my husband, and I wore little blazers like this. They were the cropped version. I thought, yeah, I need a couple more in my closet, and I should be wearing more of these, like with cute shorts. I think they look fantastic with. You could put some cute okay, I have like planned this out. White shorts, I love the tank top, white sneakers with this, and you like have a really fun chic look. But you could also wear this for a date night, put some like lacy shorts, like a black short on with this, maybe a fun heel, even a flat jelly would look really cute, some fun jewelry. Oh my gosh, this blazer, like I've already built it up in my mind with it. Okay, stay tuned, follow me on Instagram stories so you can see the many ways that I decide to pair this and spend way too many hours on Amazon. Let me know your favorite piece down in that comments box below. Be sure to visit my Amazon storefront, amazon.com/shop/AndreaJean1. And we have got to keep the fun going. So click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.